We're here at INCOM and wanted to show you our Tags-On-A-Roll safety tag product. The tags are put into a box like this, and then you dispense them, and you can dispense however many you need, and then tear them off once you're ready to start using them. Each tag has a 3/8 inch ID hole in there. You can put a hasp or a lock or whatever you're looking to use to lock it out or mark it as do not operate. The tag itself is a synthetic, indoor-outdoor grade material. It's tear resistant in both directions, makes it very durable. Most people write on them with a pen or a marker or a Sharpie or that kind of thing. And the product itself can be either just sat on a table like that, keeps them nice and clean and easy to dispense, or this hole here, put them through on a broomstick, hang them up on a wall, that kind of thing if you have a whole bunch of tags. So that's our Tags-On-A-Roll product. They're available in a bunch of different legends. We can do custom imprints for you, different lettering, different styles, designs, put your name on it, and give us a call here at INCOM if you have any questions.